Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the charging port flex on the Google Pixel 4 mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the phone and follow with the back cover removal. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cursor on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once the heating has completed, use a suction cup to create an opening between the frame and back cover. Next, insert a plastic carpet tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. While removing the back cover, be gentle, the flash sensor plug connects with the back cover. Next, take out the bracket by undoing 5 screws. Next, take out the sensor bracket by undoing 2 screws. Next, disconnect the battery plug and sensor plug from the board. And now the back cover unit can leave from the body. Next, take out the battery by applying heat. For this, we are using a heat gun. Once you feel the heating is enough, use a pry tool to cut the adhesive under the battery. Next, take out the bracket by undoing 2 screws. Next, take out the speaker buzzer by undoing 2 screws. Next, disconnect the antenna head. Next, take out the not working charging port flex by disconnecting the plug. And then gently pry the cable, and if needed, use the heat gun to soften the adhesive. Next, undo the screw, and then undo the taptic engine plug from the charging port board. And now take out the charging port flex from the body. Next, place and secure the new charging port flex on the body. Next, secure the antenna head and taptic engine connector. Next, fasten the charging port screw. Next, place the speaker by adding 2 screws. Next, place the bracket by adding 2 screws. Next, place the battery with adhesive. Next, connect the back cover sensor flex to the board and then place the bracket by adding 2 screws. Next, secure the bottom bracket by adding 5 screws. Next, before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue. If not, use P7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding to tie in the back cover with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide on Google Pixel 4 mobile phone. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.